Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will just be going over the takedown process of this house. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is the takedown process of this hair. This is crochet. For those that don't know, I've had this hair for over a month and I believe it is time to take it out. I'll be showing you guys how I go about doing that. I'll be focused on using flaxseed gel to detangle my hair. So for those that don't know how to make flaxseed gel, this is the perfect video for you. I'll be walking you step by step on how to make it. You could actually use flaxseed gel to twist your hair to help define the curls, and you can also use it to detangle, which is what I'll be doing in this video. Let me know what you guys think and stay tuned. Let's get into it. I started off by cutting out the crochet braids, then I took off my cornrows. This is the flaxseed that I use. So I started by pouring some of the flax seeds into a pot of water while on low heat. You need to really watch this because you don't want it to get too sticky. You need to strain it while it is hot. If not, it will be useless. So after I strained it, I poured it into a container. I honestly advise that you don't let it cool down so much. If not, it will be hard to use. I transferred it into this container. Now I am going to use it on my scalp as a pre-poo. I will first detangle my hair with this. Then I will go in with a shampoo and a conditioner. Guys, this is perfect for anyone that has 4C kinky hair, those hair textures that are so hard like rocks. This is perfect for you. Instead of going in first with a shampoo, this is what I will now be doing every single time I need to wash my hair. I will be using flaxseed gel to detangle because it makes it so much easier to wash and handle. Now I'm going to talk about some of the benefits of flax seeds while I am detangling my hair with this amazing flax seed gel. Guys, ignore the messiness and the dirt on my shirt. Remember, I've had this hairstyle for about a month and a half, so my hair is definitely dirty. But let's talk about some of the benefits of flaxseed gel. It helps with hair growth and it has a lot of scalp benefits. It improves moisture on the hair. It helps our hair grow because it contains omega-3 fatty acids. And this is a great source of protein, which means that it will help strengthen our hair follicles. It also makes our hair look healthier as well. You can also use this flaxseed gel. Remember in the beginning that I said if you need to do like a twist, you could use this to twist your hair, a twist and go, because it helps define your curls. Look at this, my curls are defined, but I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes before I wash it out. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.